the GT. Now, Suraj, Chirag, tell me about the performance in your GTO. What did you do right from the initial group discussion to the last one? What do you feel you did so rightly? And what did you speak in group discussion? How was your performance group planning exercise? And what you did not do so well, and those who got recommended did so well as compared to you, and they have been recommended, you have not been recommended. So I just expect you to go through. Let's start.
Yes, sir. In G2, as we all know that in G2 there were group discussion, group planning, etc. So in group discussion, the first topic that we have given is current affair topic, that to which countries India should build strong relations in terms of global instances. The countries were given Japan, France, and Israel.
Okay, which country do you take?
France, sir.
France. Okay, why France?
France. So France, because the major thing that a country needs to build a strong relationship is including trade, technology, defense, etc. There are the major aspects that every country expects for a companion, for an ally. So I have taken France, presently taking the current affairs, as we are having a deal of Rafales, 21 Rafales that have been in France, and the France is well good in technology also. And I have too supported the way my other batchmates have chosen Japan in terms of technology, Israel in terms of defense. But why I have chosen France? That France enrolled all these major qualities, including tourism also. So France would be a better aspect for India to build a strong relationship.
Chirag, first and foremost, you are given 3 leads. You have to expect hold on to only 1 lead.
Yes, sir.
You may not. You support all other leads, and you say France is better off. Till now, you have not been very rightly initially started off with it. They have France advantage of technology as well as tourism. Should a country maintain relations only for tourism?
Sir, all the major aspects, not
what are those major aspects?
Sir, trade.
Okay, how much trade now? How do you fill up the gap of trade? How do you say that trade? How much trade is being done with France? Did you give any data? Have you got any analysis? What all equipment? What is the level of trade between the two countries, India and France, is being undertaken?
No, sir, I haven't gone through this much deep in terms
of analysis. Again, you remain a general discussion. You remain a general. You couldn't afford to discuss. Even if you could talk about it, what India needs, you could have started. What India needs today is a defense preparedness, because we've got 2 enemies around. Yes, and sir. 2 enemies around are the Pakistan as well as China. In view of the above, it is appropriate that we get the right technology for armament. And for that round, just now we have got Rafale. Earlier we had other air equipment also. So many other equipment also come back. It is necessary that the defense gets the right heading. I do feel that the defense, in view of that, France is a better option to have a good relationship. Besides that, we have had no problem till now with the France. Even we have gone for submarine deal with the help of France. So we could afford it. So do other things you have dug in.
Yes, sir.
So you have not been able to participate with facts and figure. You're just only because you're trying to rely on English. That English is not going to help you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What was the second topic?
Second topic was, sir, that by regarding population, India, what should India focus more on? The 3 leads were given, including security threats, corruption, and this religion crisis.
Okay, what do you say? In order to ensure advantage to the mass population of India, what should India concentrate on?
Yes, sir.
One was security. What is the second lead?
So second was corruption.
Third?
And third one, religion crisis.
And regional crisis. So now, which lead did you take?
Corruption, sir.
Okay, tell me 5 points that you gave for it.
The first, sir, that corruption is the main hotspot of all these activities. And all these security threats, all these crises comes generated from the corruption. Although
how is security related to corruption? Now just tell me, are they again the inner people thought no? In order to safeguard population of the country and India, that is what he say, India should really concentrate on corruption or security or regional differences. So that the problem comes up when you are talking about all these days, you are again generally talking about it.
Yes, sir. I have not given the facts and figures.
तो कोई कुछ फैक्ट कुछ नहीं, ये पॉइंट दो या किसी टॉपिक में 4 पॉइंट तो बोलना है यार, कितनी देर लगते हैं, 10 आदमी बोलने वाले, इवन टू टेक 1 minute, you can't speak for 1 minute to give a point, what is use? And mind you, passing and failing in G2 is done by first 3 tasks: group discussion, group planning exercise, and progressive group task. If you don't do well, then you will never recommend it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's come back to group planning exercise.
So there was a model given to us in group planning.
Okay, see now.
And
okay, go ahead.
Okay, in that model, we are a group of people who are going for a wildlife photographic session in a place, and but we there was a railway track over there, and there was a bridge crossing through the railway track, and while going through the way,
actually I leave it to that because that I knew that you had done well when we saw one of your output. You could do well, reasonably well there. The problem comes up: did you participate well in group discussion or not?
Yes, sir.
If that was your plan accepted? No.
Sir, we haven't been through a common plan.
So the problem is, the problem is there. So that means you are not able. I said group task role. You have to act as a coordinator, initiator, opinion giver, opinion seeker. So if you have to be assertive.
Yes, sir.
So assertiveness, you are not able to assert yourself. You may have had a good plan that has no significance if you are not in a position. And secondly, effective level of functioning. You should be able to contribute towards the group aim. Group aim, come to conclude, you have not done it. Next is, you have to attach emotionally to the task and to the people. And thirdly, you don't have to come under stress. In spite of the stress of the situation, you still maintain your food. That is, all these things are important. So if you're not able to deal with probably, that's sad. Okay, let's come to progressive group task.
Sir, in progressive group task, we have been given all these as we in progressive group task. There were 4 obstacles over there, and we have to cross this that area using our helping materials.
Just tell me, did I show you some of those pictures of progressive group tasks earlier when you were tasking? Yes or no?
Sir, PGT, I wasn't there. Yes, you have shown the pictures, but
I showed you pictures on there. Okay. Was there anything different from what we have shown to you?
No, sir.
Okay. So now tell me, how was the performance of the progressive group task?
Sir, I cooperated a lot in progressive group task, but what I lacked in the thing is that I haven't given I haven't initiated in PGT.
Initiated? Was your idea accepted? It is the idea. Who gave the idea?
Sir, all the people give idea.
How many ideas did you give?
Sir, I think 4 to 5 ideas.
So was it implemented?
Yes, sir.
Then you should have got a credit for that. Did you remain in front or at the back of it or in middle?
Sir, I was there I haven't won in the last. I was there in front and in the middle also in all the four tasks.
Okay. So I think that's I have to leave it to, since it is a thing you could have done better. So that's half group task, final group task, and probably every individual task probably you would have done well because you are from a school where you had the exposure to it, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you do well in individual tasks?
Individual obstacles, sir?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I have completed all the 10 obstacles in given part and have committed 3 minutes.
How was your command task? How good or bad it was?
I think, sir, in command task, I have taken so much time. The time and skills were low from my side. I've taken so much time to just resolve
Don't
the
worry, because
situation.
only those people who do well are given the most difficult task. Yaad rakhna. Command task. Those
Yes,
who are
sir.
not so good, they are given very easy tasks. That's okay. How was your lecture?
I've chosen topics for health and hygiene, and we have given 3 topics, including health and hygiene, cybersecurity, and European Union. And as I haven't even know much about European Union, then I have chosen the health and hygiene topic, and I have spoke well for 3 minutes for in health and hygiene.
Okay. What do you think are the main reasons for your failure in GTO, if any?
Sir, in terms of GTO, I think the time management skills in command tasks, and this is the only, I think.
Command task then came to run. Command task is last, my dear. I had told you on the passing and failing the first 3 tasks.
Group discussion, group planning, and PGT.
Yes, if you have not done well there, all these commands, the people done unfortunately, every damn candidate keeps concentrating on something.
Yes, sir. I think in group discussion also, I haven't presented much points from my side.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Tell me after that. So have you understood the problem? I want you to analyze your own
Yes, sir.
mistakes. Now, in view of whatever we have talked about, you should be able to write down what all things went right or what all things did not go so right. Okay. The right end, then we can again discuss later on.